Yo, let's unbox the flex trimmer.
So let's open up this box. First thing to come out is the actual flex trimmer itself. It comes with the X Pro Classic fixed blade. And as you can see, we have two extra color options in blue and pink. We have the charging base. We have a super long cord. We have a micro USB charging cord, a cleaning brush and 3 different guards, and you have your standard warranty. The clipper has 3 hours of cordless runtime with a 90-minute recharge rate and a 7,500 RPM super torque motor. Now to get this trimmer ready for me, personally, I like the blue, so I'm going to take that lid off and I'm going to put the blue one on. I'm just going to go ahead and pop the 3 screws off of the back. I'm going to install the new blue faceplate, and then I'm going to put the 3 screws right back on, tighten it up, and we are good to go. I really do like the ergonomics this machine has to offer. It fits great in my hand, it fits great in every position I'm going to be using it in. That's one of the reasons why I really like this trimmer.
I want to take a quick second to shout out to Stylecraft. They gave me this nice new cape here. They gave me some awesome luggage that I can bring along with me when I go to the Barber Expo. I'll be putting all my gear in here, this way if I battle, it'll be easier for me to walk around with all my stuff. So definitely shout out to you guys. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate that. Back to the video.
Now this skin here is fully prepped, and I will note that I didn't zero gap this aggressively. I zero gapped it just by eye, you know, just so it's kind of good for kids, but it's still good for sharp lines. And you can see it still bangs. The thing is smashing lines, nice and clean. I have to say too, the power on this trimmer is instant, and it's powerful. This thing slams. You can really tell when you're using it to shave. It really just cuts the hair so clean and easy out the way.
You guys get a chance, hop down below, hit that button, subscribe please, thank you.
I will say this, I have these equal to the Stylecraft sabers. I like the power in this flex trimmer a lot better than the sabers. I will say the sabers has an awesome machine. Everything inside that trimmer is flawless, nice and quiet. These are a little bit louder, not like too loud, but you know, kind of that comes with power. It is what it is. But I will say I like this classic blade way better than a regular X Pro blade. I think the best part about this blade is for how sharp it hits. It did not nip any skin. That is especially huge considering when you shave under the neck, typically that's where you would catch some kind of skin. This went flawless every single haircut, no issues. Now without using the Cyborg trimmer, I have never used that yet, I will rate this up there in first place, tie from Stylecraft with the sabers. I have both of them literally in the front, in the lead. Definitely better than the Rebel trimmers, definitely better than the one hitters, all the older style trimmers that Stylecraft came out with. This is up there. I will have more footage using this trimmer in my next video that's going to be on enhancements, so you guys got to make sure you stay tuned for that too.
I do hope you guys like this video today. I will have another one coming for you soon. It will be on like a master class on enhancements, how to put them all on, how to make it look natural, how to make it look good. So stay tuned for that. I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.